everyone, welcome back. I am back with the Durga Puja series 2021. This is the first makeup of the series. I have created this gorgeous Shoshti makeup look with beautiful teal glittery dual winged eyeliner paired with nude lips, which you can definitely wear during the daytime as well as during night on the festive days. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So before putting any kind of makeup on your face, make sure that you well prep your skin using a moisturizer. Today I have used the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer 30 minutes before the application of my actual makeup. Now it's time to do my brows, for which I'm taking a spoolie and just defining my brows to know the actual shape of my brow. For the brows today I'm using Pack 4 Colors a definer kit, which comes with 4 shades of eyebrow powders. You can use your favorite eyebrow pencil, pomades, anything will work. Since it's more like a daytime makeup look, I just want my brows to look more subtle. At the same time, we'll be going with the kind of eye look which I have created. That's the reason I have used eyebrow powders today. I have used the second shade from the palette, and with the help of the applicator I'm going to outline my brows, at the same time fill it in. And it's a very easy to use kind of brow product which you can use on an everyday basis as well. So I'm taking my spoolie one more time and distributing the product on all over my brows so that everything looks nice. And you can see it has well defined my brows, at the same time made it so wearable. I absolutely love it. Now it's time to prime my skin. So in order to make your makeup really long lasting so that it will last throughout the entire day, you just need to apply a good primer before the application of your foundation. Today I have used this Maybelline one. It's a dewy plus smooth primer. It's more like a hydrating kind of very glowy looking primer on the skin. You can definitely use a pore filling primer if you have very oily skin in order to fill in your pores, but I love this kind of glowy effect that this primer gives. It also smoothens out my skin. That's the reason foundation sits really well on top of this primer. For the foundation today I have used this very affordable ones today. It's the Maybelline Fit Me, and I have mixed 2 shades, 228 soft tan and 1 pop of 332 golden caramel. Mixing these two gives me the perfect match, and it looks really good on my skin tone. So I'm applying the foundation with the help of my fingertips on all over my face. Now I'm going to use this beautiful sponge by Rumier Cosmetics. It's the softest beauty sponge that I have used till date, guys. It helps in blending out my foundation so well. And with the help of this damp beauty sponge, I have started on blending out my foundation, and you can see the effect. This is having medium coverage, but it looks beautiful on the skin. Since it's more like a daytime look, you can definitely use this kind of foundation because it's having a soft matte finish, at the same time really long lasting. This foundation lasts up to 6+ hours on my skin, so definitely you can try out. You can definitely try out more long lasting foundation as well. Maybelline Superstay foundation is also another option that you can definitely try out. For the concealer today I have used Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I'm not going to use a lot of concealer today because I just want my base to look really good, at the same time not overly cakey or heavy on the skin. That's the reason I have applied a little bit of this in the inner part of my eyes and on the outer part of my eyes and on some spots that I have on my face. And using the same beauty sponge, I have started on blending out the concealer, and you can see the concealer is having full coverage. It blends so beautifully on my skin, at the same time gives you a beautiful finish, healthy looking finish, which looks beautiful during the festive days for special occasions or anytime, guys. This is my all-time favorite concealer. You can definitely try out. Now in order to make your makeup really long lasting, you just need to set it with the help of a compact powder or a setting powder or anything you have. Today I have used MAC Powder Plus foundation in the shade NC41. I love this particular product because it looks so beautiful on the skin. It has got a little bit of coverage, but it doesn't look cakey. It sets my makeup so well. So today I have used a damp sponge to apply my compact powder in order to set my concealer and my foundation. In that way my foundation and concealer will be very long lasting. And now for the eyes, I'm going to use some basic shades from this K Beauty eyeshadow palette. At first I'm going to use the shade called Tan, which is a neutral brown shade from the palette. You can use any brown you have as the base for this eye look because I'm not going to use a lot of eyeshadows today, guys. Just applying this particular brown shade on all over my lid and going to blend out my crease using this lighter brown shade from the palette with the help of a fluffy blending brush. So this is just like a base which I have created for this eye look. I'm not going to use any more shades, so you can use any basic neutral tone, warm tone palette that you have in your collection. This is a gorgeous eye pencil that I absolutely love. It's by Chambord in the shade Peacock Blue. Gorgeous steel color. It is having beautiful texture, smooth, very creamy texture. It is set so fast. That's a reason you just need to work very fast with it. I'm going to use this kajal or eye pencil to create a beautiful winged eyeliner. As you can see, it looks so gorgeous, and you can pair this particular teal shade with a lot of your outfits, guys. So I'm just basically creating a beautiful thick winged eyeliner very close to my lashes, as you can see. And I'm going to take this glitter eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow by Nika K, and I'm going to link it in the description box, guys. I have forgotten the shade name. So using a liner brush, a curved liner brush, I'm going to create another winged eyeliner just on top of that teal eyeliner which I have created on my lid. So I'm creating two winged eyeliners, as you can see. So this is just going to add that beautiful glittery effect on your eyes. Now I'm going to add a kajal on my eyes. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline and my lower waterline using this Nykaa and black kajal. Very creamy, smooth, easy to use kajal, and it's very easy to smudge as well. Using this brown shade from the K Beauty palette, I'm going to just smoke out that kajal on my lower lash line so that it looks more dramatic. And since it's a festive makeup look, I just want my eyes to look really dramatic, at the same time wearable and eye-catchy. That's the reason I'm just smudging it, and you can see this is how I have created this very easy gorgeous look. Now it's time to apply mascara, for which I'm using this PAC double volume volumizing mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras, guys, because it helps in defining my lashes so well. You can simply use any voluminous mascara you have, and I'm just coating my upper and my lower lashes with it, and it's very long lasting, guys. It has got a kind of fibers in it which helps in making my lashes look beautiful. I have applied a pair of falsies, which is completely optional. You can definitely skip it. Now it's time to bronze up my skin. I'm going to contour my face using this Bahama Mama bronzer, my all-time favorite, very gorgeous looking bronzer that you can definitely use to contour your face. Since I have got very chubby cheeks, I'm going to contour my face lightly with the help of this particular bronzer, applying it in the hollows of my face, under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead, on the areas where I just need to add those artificial shadows so that my face looks structured and defined. You can simply use any bronzer you have in your collection. Going to contour my nose a little bit, and you can see this is how my structured, well contoured face looks like, and I absolutely love contouring my face, guys. Now it's time to apply blush, for which I am using K Beauty matte blush in the shade Dusty Rose. Beautiful dirty pink shade having neutral undertone, going to suit lots of skin tones out there. And for the festive days, if you are creating more like smoky eyes, neutral toned eyes, or any kind of heavy bold eye look, guys, you can surely apply this blush. It's very pigmented, very long lasting, looks gorgeous, and it's a complete matte blush, so you can definitely wear it during daytime. Just spritzing a little bit of makeup fixer on my face, and on my damp face I'm going to apply my highlighter, because in that way my highlighter lasts quite long. That's the reason applying a highlighter on your damp face makes your highlighter look so beaming, at the same time also makes it really long lasting. Applying it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to neutralize my lips using my foundation brush, and going to apply my lipstick, for which I'm using Swiss Beauty HD matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Blush. Beautiful deep dusty pink color, dusty rose shade with hints of mauve, having rich brown undertone with a little bit of peach as well. And the formula is so beautiful, guys, so creamy, so comfortable to wear, gives you beautiful rich but soft matte finish, which is very long lasting, at the same time looks gorgeous with a lot of eye looks you want to create, going to suit all Indian skin tones, guys, and it's super duper affordable, so you can definitely try this one out, guys. A beautiful shade, a must try shade for everyone out there. Now in order to set my overall makeup so that my makeup remain for a very long time on my face, I need to set it using a makeup setting spray. You can use any makeup setting spray you have. Today I have used a blue bindi, guys. This is the first time that I am wearing a blue bindi, adding this gorgeous pair of earrings which I picked up I think from Suki, and this is how the finished look turned out. So this is a finished look, guys. This is the first look of my Durga Puja series 2021. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, guys.